To the Supreme Court now, where justices will hear arguments today over President Biden's plan to forgive student loan debt for more than 40 million Americans. Opponents say that Mr. Biden has taken his presidential powers too far, and for now, the program is on hold until the justices make a decision. Jan Crawford is at the Supreme Court for us. Jan, good morning.
Well, good morning, Tony. You know, this is one of the bigger cases this term. It's another clash between Republicans and President Biden, who made it a campaign promise to address student loan debt. But the question is whether he went about it the right way, or whether on an issue this big, involving nearly $500 billion that Congress has to sign off. Now, under the plan, up to 43 million people would be eligible for some student loan debt relief. People making less than $125,000 a year could see $10,000 in debt forgiven, and people who got Pell Grants could get up to $20,000 forgiven. The Congressional Budget Office says the program will cost more than $430 billion. After President Biden announced the plan last August, 26 million people applied before lower courts put it all on hold. Now, today, the justices will hear two different challenges. One is by 6 Republican-led states who say the program will cost them money. And in court papers, they say it's a, quote, breathtaking and transformative exercise of power. The other case is by 2 students who say the program should do more to relieve student debt. Now, the president himself initially insisted this was an issue for Congress and that he couldn't do it alone. But when Congress failed to act, he had a change of heart. And today, his lawyer will argue that federal law does grant him that power. It is unclear when the justices will rule on this, but we expect a decision at some point by the end of June. Nate?
Jan, thank you.